Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start earning money from Samsung affiliate program. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn commissions by marketing brands that you love to your audience. And Samsung has an awesome affiliate program that lets you do just that. We're also going to be covering some of the key steps in order to become a successful affiliate marketer, so let's just get right into it. So as you know, Samsung is a huge global technology company that makes many different devices. They are most well known for their smartphones like the Galaxy and the Note models, but Samsung also makes tablets, smartwatches, TVs, and home appliances. So they have a massive, diverse product portfolio from mobile tech to home electronics, and Samsung is all about innovative, high-quality products to make daily life more convenient. And also their brand awareness and reputation for great tech makes them perfect to promote as an affiliate. People recognize and trust the Samsung name. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, it's very important to choose brands that your audience already knows and likes. This will make people obviously actually buy from you and trust the brand that you're promoting. Promoting unknown or untrusted brands is an uphill battle. But with Samsung, their brand already allows you to more easily generate clicks and sales. People will feel good about purchasing Samsung products through your links. And to access the Samsung affiliate program, you will need to join their affiliate network at Awin. Networks like Awin provide the platform that connects brands to affiliates, and this allows you to easily find programs, get approval to promote brands, generate links, and track your earnings all under one platform. And to sign up as an affiliate on Awin is very simple. You just have to go to awin.com and then click the sign up in the top right corner. You will have to enter your info like name, address, email, etc. to create your account. Confirm your email address and complete your account profile fully. The more information, the better. And then all you have to do is just wait for Awin to review and approve your account so that you can start applying to programs. Once you're approved by Awin, you will gain access to their affiliate dashboard. This is where you can browse available affiliate programs, simply applying to them, getting your links, and then monitor your performance. So within the dashboard, you can hover over advertisers and then click the join programs to see all the brands on Awin. There are thousands of affiliate programs and you can use the search bar to filter the ones for Samsung specifically. Once you've done your search on the Samsung affiliate programs, you might find a lot of available programs currently. Mostly you will see ones for Samsung Canada, for example, the USA, United Kingdom, Germany, and France. You might find more specific kind of programs, and you will also find more for other regions. So the best advice is that you choose the programs that fit your audience location and language best. So if most of your traffic is American, you obviously want to apply to the ones in the United States. So each program also has different commission rates, so keep that in mind. The application will go to Samsung's affiliate team for review before you accept it, so make sure that your profile and application looks professional. The review typically takes 1 to 2 weeks. You will get an email when you're approved and can start accessing your affiliate links. Don't get discouraged if you're not approved at first, just keep reapplying and maybe tweak your information just a little bit. Try to really sell yourself, explaining why you would make a great partner, and eventually they will actually take you. Once you're approved, you can generate your unique Samsung affiliate links to promote their products, and whenever somebody clicks on your link, makes a purchase, you will then be earning a commission for it depending on the program that you joined. And to actively promote Samsung products as an affiliate, you can share your Samsung links on your website and the blog posts. You've got YouTube videos, other social media, email lists, and anywhere else within an audience. You should focus on organic promotion by sharing genuine recommendations of Samsung products that you like through reviews, roundups, tutorials, and all that, but don't just spam links, provide actual value. For example, you can make a YouTube video reviewing your new Samsung Galaxy phone. You can show off the cool features in depth and then leave your affiliate link in the description so that viewers can purchase the phone as well. Blog posts work great for roundups, like for example 10 best Samsung monitors for work and gaming as well. Share your top picks along with the links that you have to buy each monitor you feature. Just make sure to disclose in your content as well that you have affiliate links. There is nothing wrong with saying that to your audience. Be transparent with them, and it will also help create trust. Remember that people don't actually lose anything from clicking on your link when they already want to make a purchase. It comes at a zero cost to them and it only benefits you. So continue actively publishing Samsung affiliate content consistently over the long term. More content means more opportunities to earn and grow. I hope that this video has provided you with the necessary information to get started with Samsung affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, let us know by leaving them in the comment section down below. And if this video was helpful or enjoyable to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.